Hello, beautiful ladies. Welcome back to Aesthetic Haven. Today, we're diving into the ultimate body care routine, a self-care guide designed to leave you feeling confident, radiant, and pampered. We'll talk about everything, from choosing the right products to creating aesthetic, spa-like rituals at home. This routine is not just about physical care, it's about prioritizing yourself and your well-being. Let's start your self-care journey. The first step to glowing, healthy skin is cleansing. Choose a body wash tailored to your skin's needs. If your skin is dry, opt for one with shea butter or glycerin. For oily skin, look for refreshing ingredients like tea tree oil or eucalyptus. Use lukewarm water, not too hot, to avoid stripping natural oils. While cleansing, use a loofah, silicone scrubber, or even your hands for a gentle touch. Pay extra attention to areas prone to buildup, like your back or underarms. Don't rush this step. It's about creating a relaxing moment for yourself. If you want to elevate the experience, try a double cleanse using an oil-based cleanser first to remove dirt and sweat. Exfoliation removes dead skin cells and helps your products absorb better. Use a physical scrub like a sugar or salt scrub, or try a chemical exfoliant with AHAs or BHAs. A quick DIY recipe is mixing brown sugar with honey and a few drops of olive oil. When exfoliating, focus on areas like elbows, knees, and ankles where skin tends to be rough. Avoid over-exfoliating as it can irritate your skin. Twice a week is perfect for maintaining soft, radiant skin. For sensitive skin, use a gentler scrub and avoid scrubbing too hard. Trust me, consistency beats intensity here. Hair removal can be tricky, but doing it the right way keeps your skin smooth and irritation-free. Shaving, always use a sharp razor to prevent razor bumps. Use a hydrating shaving cream or even a thick conditioner in a pinch. Shave in the direction of hair growth first, then go against it for a closer finish. For waxing, ensure your skin is clean and dry. Exfoliate 24 hours before waxing to loosen trapped hairs. For hair removal, apply aloe vera or a calming lotion to soothe your skin. For extra smoothness, use a post-shave or post-wax oil to reduce ingrown hairs. Hydration is key to keeping your skin soft and elastic. After showering, gently pat your skin dry, don't rub. Apply a rich body lotion, butter, or oil immediately while your skin is still damp. This helps lock in moisture. Choose products with nourishing ingredients like cocoa butter, argan oil, or hyaluronic acid. For an added glow, use body oils with mica for a shimmering effect. Massage the product into your skin with upward strokes to promote circulation. Don't skip your neck, hands, and feet, they deserve love too. If you're dealing with stretch marks, scars, or uneven skin tone, targeted treatments are your best friend. Vitamin E oils are great for fading scars, while retinol can help with texture over time. For stretch marks, look for products with collagen-boosting ingredients. Dedicate a few minutes to massaging problem areas daily. This improves blood flow and helps the products penetrate deeper. Don't forget your hands and feet. Apply a thick cream before bed and wear cotton gloves or socks for intense hydration overnight. Sun protection isn't just for your face, it's vital for your entire body. Use a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30. Pay attention to exposed areas like your arms, legs, and décolletage even when indoors. If you're spending time outdoors, reapply every 2 hours. For a seamless application, choose a sunscreen with a lightweight or gel texture. Some sunscreens now even have shimmer, adding a radiant glow while keeping you protected. Let's elevate your body care routine with some aesthetic touches. Light scented candles to create a calming atmosphere. Use essential oils like lavender or chamomile for a relaxing vibe. Wrap yourself in a fluffy robe or towel and enjoy a hot cup of tea while you care for your skin. Incorporate a body mist or light fragrance at the end of your routine for a signature scent. Choose floral or citrus notes to match the fresh feeling of your body care session. And that's your complete body care guide. Remember, body care isn't just about products, it's about showing yourself kindness and care every day. Whether it's through a soothing shower or a luxurious body lotion, every small step counts. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Aesthetic Haven for more self-care and aesthetic lifestyle tips. See you next time, and don't forget to love yourself.